Welcome to Device Help Support, your ultimate destination for everything related to device setup, troubleshooting, and optimizing your tech experiences. Subscribe to our YouTube channel for more videos related to setup, troubleshooting, and unboxing. And don't forget to press the bell icon so you don't miss our latest videos. In today's video we will discuss how to set up VILINICE 1200 megabits per second Wi-Fi extender. The VILINICE 1200 megabits per second Wi-Fi extender is a compact device that helps boost your existing Wi-Fi signal to reduce dead zones and improve coverage in your home. If you're looking for the best extender that gives you the perfect Wi-Fi range coverage, then this video is specially made up for you. So without wasting any time, let's start the setup process. I hope in the end, this video will prove helpful for you. First of all, plug the VILINICE extender into a power socket near your main router. Wait 1 to 2 minutes until the power LED turns solid. On your phone, tablet, or computer, go to Wi-Fi settings. Look for a Wi-Fi network like VILINICE_EXT, Wi-Fi Extender, or something similar. Tap it to connect. No password is usually needed at this point. Open a web browser like Chrome, Safari, or Edge. In the address bar, type http://192.168.188.1.0 or http://ap.setup. Press Enter to open the login page. You'll see a login screen. Enter the default credentials. Username is admin or password is also admin. If this doesn't work, check the label on the extender or manual. The extender will scan and show a list of nearby Wi-Fi networks. Find and select your main home Wi-Fi network from the list. Type in the password of your existing Wi-Fi, the one from your main router. Click Next, Connect, or Apply. Button name may vary. The extender will reboot and attempt to connect to your Wi-Fi. This may take up to 1 to 2 minutes. Once connected, you will see a confirmation page or message. A new network name like your Wi-Fi_EXT will appear in your Wi-Fi list. On your phone or PC, go to Wi-Fi settings. Connect to the new extended network, your Wi-Fi_EXT, using the same password as your original Wi-Fi. You can now unplug the extender and move it to a spot midway between your router and weak signal area. I hope this video will prove helpful for you. If you're stuck in middle of the process, then don't worry. Contact our professional experts at 1-323-507-3713. They will solve your problem as soon as possible. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Devices Help and Support. And also stay tuned for the more updates.